Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use Canva to make stickers like the one you can see on the screen. Let's get started. For the purposes of this design, I'll be using a cut or a square template. Okay, so what you want to do is to go to your images. You can use the images that you upload, right? Or you can use elements that are already in Canva then. So for the video, I'll use images that I've uploaded. So I'll upload my first image. Then what I want to do there is to remove the background of that image. Right, once that's done, I want to minimize that to a small size, right, and then drag it there by the corner. Then I next hit my next image, and then again I remove the background. Right, once done, I again minimize the size and put it up there. Then I want to add my other image, and again I want to remove the background. Right, and then I'll minimize this. Okay, so that looks fine. Then what I want to do now, right, is to save this as an image. So right, I'll click on that and then click on download, and I want to download it as a PNG. You can use JPEG, right, but for demonstration purposes I'll just use PNG, and then click on download. Okay, then I want to clear my page, so I'll select everything and then delete. Okay, so I've uploaded my image already, but before we put it there, I want to change the color of my page there. So let's change it to something else, like gray will be fine. Then I want to go to my uploads, and then I want to add this image that I downloaded, right, and then we want to remove the background. Right, that's done. So now what we want to do is to click on edit, right, and then this will take us to this panel, and from this panel we want to work with effects, right? So we'll go into effects, and then from there we select shadows, right, and then we select outline as our desired one, right, and then you can change the color preferable to white, yes, like that, and then that's fine. Then we can increase the size of that. Yeah, that looks good, and that's it in a nutshell, and this is the final result. I hope this was useful. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Cheers, and catch you on the next one.